This bedroom is connected to a walkout deck that is currently experiencing water incursion. Here you will notice us paying special attention to sealant application around the doorway, which is actually done properly. So this is not our area of concern, but this is what a caulk door should look like. This is a scupper box. Scupper boxes are responsible for diverting all water on your roof substrate. If you can imagine, all the rain that hits your roof is coming through this drain system. This is a very important part of the home that you want to perform a detailed inspection on to be sure that there are no gaps, the caulking is applied properly, and that everything is fastened. This area can easily lead to interior water incursion, causing major issues.